Hello everyone, we are going to start with our topic which is called as conjunctivitis. So let's get started with this topic of the conjunctivitis. Now what is conjunctivitis? So it says that conjunctivitis is defined as the inflammation of the conjunctiva is called as a conjunctivitis. So the inflammation of the conjunctiva is called as conjunctivitis. So there is conjunctival hyperemia. There is the presence of conjunctival hyperemia. It may be associated with discharge, which may be serious or watery. If it's serious or watery, it's a virus cause. It's a mucoid one, it's an allergic cause. And if the discharge is mucopurulent, or a purulent, it's a bacterial cause. Now, the conjunctivitis are divided into four types. We have the infective cause. On the basis of that, we divide into four types of the conjunctivitis. We have the allergic conjunctivitis. We can have a cicatricial conjunctivitis, or we can have the toxic conjunctivitis. On the basis of cause, on the basis of the infective cause now, infective cause can be a bacterial, it can be a viral, or it can be ophthalmia neonatorum. It's put in the same, we put ophthalmia neonatorum into a separate category because it can be either a chemical, it can be either a bacterial, or it can either be a viral cause. So, and we have some granulomatous conjunctivitis. Now, bacterial consists of acute bacterial conjunctivitis, we have hyperacute conjunctivitis, we have chronic conjunctivitis, we have annular conjunctivitis, and we have the climatial, which consists of trachoma, we have adult inclusion conjunctivitis, we have the neonatal climatial conjunctivitis. Viral, which is usually acute condition, consists of the adenovirus conjunctivitis, we have the epidemic keratoconjunctivitis. The adenovirus conjunctivitis, itself it's an epidemic keratoconjunctivitis. We have the enterovirus conjunctivitis, which is caused by Coxsackie virus. Then we have the molluscum contagiosum conjunctivitis. Then we have the herpes simplex conjunctivitis. Then we have the ophthalmia neonatorum, which can be a chemical, bacterial, or the viral. Then we have the granulomatous conjunctivitis, which consists of the perinode oculoglandular syndrome. After infective, we have the other type, which is second, that is the allergic conjunctivitis. We can have the simple allergic conjunctivitis, we can have the venonal keratoconjunctivitis, we can have the atopic keratoconjunctivitis, we can have the giant papillary conjunctivitis, we can have the filectunar conjunctivitis, which is usually due to the endogenous allergens like tuberculosis, etc. We have the contact dermatoconjunctivitis, also known as a drop conjunctivitis. Then we have the toxic, we have the cicatricial and nexus toxic. Cicatricial consists of ocular mucous membrane pemphigoid, which is OMMP. We have Stevens-Johnson syndrome. We have the toxic epidermal necrolysis, and we have secondary cicatricial conjunctivitis, which is usually after injury, infection, and chemicals. Then we have the toxic. Toxic consists of chemicals. We have the secondary conditions. We have pilocarpine, contact lens solution, iodouridine, iserine, DFP, adrenaline. To